Hi, I'm Jody, and welcome to Shima Flow Yoga. If your days feel like static, the buzzing anxiety that wasn't there before, the 4 o'clock crash, the words that go missing mid-sentence, I want to give you something you can actually use. Here's what's happening. In perimenopause, progesterone declines. Progesterone is your body's calming hormone. So as it fades, cortisol, your stress hormone, gets louder. You end up tired and wired at the same time. And brain fog rides along with it. A brain under constant low-grade stress has fewer resources left for word finding, focus, and memory. Now here's the leverage, and it's real. Your breath is the one part of your stress response you can steer on purpose. Slow, long exhales activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's brake pedal. This isn't a wellness metaphor, it's plumbing. Over the next 20 minutes, I'm going to teach you 5 practices. Each one is matched to a different moment in your day, so you'll leave knowing exactly which one to reach for and when. You don't need anything. Sit comfortably or lie down. Close your eyes whenever you're ready, and let's begin. We'll start with the fastest one. This is the reset I use in traffic, mid-argument, or reading a text message I didn't want. Breathe in through your nose, and then right at the top, take one more small sip of air. Now let it all go through your mouth, slow and longer than the inhale. Let's do it together. Big breath in through the nose. Small sip more. And out through the mouth, nice and slow. Again, in, sip at the top, and out. Let the exhale be twice as long as the inhale. Again, nice deep breath in, sip at the top, and exhale, sigh it all out. Slow and long. Again, in, take that sip, and exhale out. Let's do it one more time. Deep breath in. Another small breath. And exhale, sigh it out. That double inhale opens up the small air sacs in your lungs. The long exhale that follows tells your nervous system it's safe to stand down. 3 rounds, about 90 seconds. And nobody around you will even notice you did it. So moving on to the exhale ladder. This is great for the 4 o'clock crash. And this is the one I use instead of a third coffee. We're going to climb down a ladder. Each round, the exhale gets longer. So let's start with round 1. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out for 4. 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. We're going to do 3 rounds like that. In, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One more time. In, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. In for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again in 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's do one more. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let your breath go back to normal. Notice the difference. Same afternoon, softer edges. All right, our next breath is box breathing, and this is great before difficult conversations. This one gives a busy mind a shape to hold. 4 equal sides. Let's begin. Breathe in through your nose for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold at the bottom. 4, 2, 3, 4. So this hold should feel gentle. If you're clenching, make the box a little smaller. 3 counts instead of 4. The shape matters more than the size. Let's do it again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold at the bottom. 2, 3, 4. Again. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. 2, 3, 4. This is what performers and first responders use to stay clear under pressure. Use it before the doctor's appointment, a difficult conversation, or maybe even before you walk into a crowded room. Okay, moving on to ocean breath. This is when you're starting to feel some irritation rising or your jaw starting to tighten. The one for moments when you feel your patience is running out. We're going to make a soft sound in the back of the throat on the exhale. The same sensation or sound like when you're fogging up a mirror, but you're doing it with your mouth closed. So breathe in through your nose. We're going to do the first one out through the mouth. Exhale out through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. You can hear that ocean sound. You can feel it in the back of your throat. Let's try it again. Breathe in through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale out, creating that sighing sound. Seal your lips and continue with that soft ocean sound and the sensation in the back of your throat. Every exhale should be just a little longer than the inhale. And every time you breathe out, relax your jaw. Most of us are holding more than we realize. So let's do a few rounds together. Mouth is closed. Inhale through your nose. Fill up through your chest, your ribs, your belly. Good. With your mouth closed, exhale. Slight constriction in the back of the throat, creating that ocean sound with your breath. Again, inhale, nice and deep. Exhale through the nose, ocean sound in the breath. Notice if you're starting to clench your teeth. Notice your tongue. See if you can relax your tongue. Again, inhale, nice and deep through the nose. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Remember, the exhale is just a little longer than the inhale. Again, breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. Jaws relaxed. Let's do 2 more rounds. Inhale, nice and deep. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. So the sound is something specific. It gently tones the vagus nerve, and that's the main pathway from your body to your calm state. It gives irritation somewhere to go. All right, our last breathing practice is called humming bee, and this is great for a racing mind or brain fog. So this is our last practice. We're going to breathe in through the nose, and on the way out, you're going to make a humming sound, low and gentle. So you feel the vibration in your face, in your teeth, your throat, and your chest. And if it feels comfortable, and I highly recommend this, place your hands gently over your ears because it makes the sound even bigger on the inside. All right, so let's inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, create that humming sound. And you can create this humming sound as long as your breath allows you to. Okay, again, inhaling. And exhale with the hum. Hands over your ears. And again, breathe in. And hum. And inhale. Exhale. Let's do 2 more. Inhale. And exhale, hum. And 1 more, inhale. And exhale, hum. A spinning mind has too many things to follow, so this gives it exactly one, the sound. And this is my go-to on foggy days, not because it clears the fog instantly, but because it quiets the noise sitting on top of it. All right, let's move into silence for a couple minutes. We're going to let the breath go completely natural. So there's nothing to count or nothing to control. Let's just start with a nice cleansing breath. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth, sigh it out. And just come to a natural breath. Good. Just sitting here for about 2 minutes. Noticing what your body feels like now with all these different breathing techniques. Things start to change, but it's really drawing your attention inward. You start to notice these changes. All right, start to come back slowly, just moving your fingers a little bit, and open your eyes when you're ready. 5 practices, 5 moments. The physiological sigh for right before you snap, the exhale ladder for the afternoon crash, box breathing before the hard things, an ocean breath when irritation arises, humming bee for a racing mind. I put all 5 on a 1-page pocket card you can screenshot. It's in my free guide, The Cortisol Come Down, which is linked below. Pick the one that matches your hardest moment of the day and use it for a week. A nervous system that practices calm finds it faster under pressure. So tell me in the comments, which one are you taking with you? I'm Jody, and this is Shima Flow Yoga. Breathe easy.